Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida. And got a quick question for you. Have you heard of the Super Affiliate Network? But more importantly, have you heard about their Bootcamp? So, in this video, I'm going to go do a quick overview of the Super Affiliate Network Bootcamp. But before I do that, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click subscribe there, the little subscribe button there. Also, to your right there should be a little bell over there. Click that bell so you're always going to be notified of my videos when they become available. So I wanted to do a quick review of the Super Affiliate Network. Now, I've done a video before on the Super Affiliate Network, kind of endorsed it and kind of given it my stamp of approval as a great affiliate marketing program, as a great program for the new person starting online marketing. But I wanted to go a little further and kind of give you a little bit in-depth look. And I won't go too much in depth, but I kind of give you like a little bit of overview of the Super Affiliate Network Bootcamp and what you get with the Super Affiliate Network when you join for, I believe it's a dollar to join, and the boot camp that you get. So I'm actually, of course, an affiliate, a member with the Super Affiliate Network, so I'm going to be able to log into my back office and take you through the boot camp. So I got everything here. I'm going to go ahead and just log in here. And as I log in, I'm going to go straight to the boot camp to show you the boot camp. So as you can see here, there's a boot camp. There's different phases. There's phase one. Under phase one, there's 5 different modules. Phase two, under phase two, there's 6 through 10 modules. Under phase 3, there's 11 through 15 modules. So you got 3 phases, a total of 15 modules in their boot camp. And again, you get all of this for $1. $1. So as we go through the boot camp, we start in the first phase 1, and I'm going to take you module by module to show you what you're able to get. If you like what you see here, you can definitely take the trial to get access to the boot camp for just $1, $1, 4 quarters, 100 pennies. So as we go through the module, looking at the module, this is what you get. You get access to module 1, where it covers the strategy versus tactics and how to lay the correct foundation. Module 2, you get the 5 pillars to profitability online. Module 3 is the anatomy of a multi-million-dollar sales funnel. Wow. Module 4, you get the affiliate sales funnels. Module 5, you get how to license the test and improving the multiple 7-figure info marketing empire. That's just the first phase. So if you go down to the next phase, phase 2, modules 6 through 10. We're going to go down here a little bit here. So we get module 6, simplifies for success. 5 steps to targeted traffic that actually converts. Module 8, you get the popcorn effect. This is just telling you about, more about taking, the more action you take, the more when you're starting out, that pretty soon, if you take enough action, say over a 9-day period, that you may not see anything in the first month, or you may not see anything in the second month, but by that 3rd month, you're going to see like a popcorn effect where things start popping up and you start getting more leads and more sales in your business. Module 9 is the follow-up mastery module, and module 10 is the evolution of your magic. So just kind of see, it's kind of self-explanatory what the modules are about, so I won't read those off at all. Let me take that off there. But if you go down to the last phase is scaling your cash flow, and that's modules 11 through 15. You go down to this here module, it goes back into affiliate sales funnels. Module 12 goes to the 12 difference between real entrepreneurs and 6-figure affiliate marketing ecosystem. Module 13 goes into creating big revenue. Module 14, motivation versus inspiration and the keys to creating your perfect lifestyle. And module 15, applying limitless leverage. So In this boot camp with the Super Affiliate Network, you get all of this again for just $1. There's a link at the bottom here where if you did want to test it out, you can test it out yourself for $1. Also, I do want to add too that just for the $1, you'd also get access to your own coach to coach you through the modules. So you get access to your own coach that's going to kind of be there to walk you through the modules as you go through. This is my coach from when I started with the Super Affiliate Network, and he continues to be my coach. So if I need any kind of if I have any kind of questions or I need to reach out to him, my coach is here to help me. So I mean, you get access to this coach, the 18 modules, the 15 modules for $1. Quick review of this. Hope you enjoyed the review. And again, guys, that's the video for today. This is my review of the boot camp for the Super Affiliate Network. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, do click subscribe and be sure to click that little bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Talk to you soon. God bless.